Oh no!
TOQUERVILLE, and I'm using my GPS. So if I lose a signal, I have a GPS here that will tell me where to go, because these roads are not marked. If you take the wrong turn, you're gonna end up in you might get stuck, because some of these trails are really hard. So I've been here before, but it's been a while.
Going down.
So
Yeah, and this road is extremely rough. It's hard. You need a 4x4 to come here.
it gets harder every. Seems like it changes every year. People get stuck.
Wow, look at that road. Oh, oh.
No, that's what I call it. Because it's gotta climb it through the rocks.
What happened, babe?
Just making sure, see where it's straight. I gotta move. Oh, nothing.
It's good.
I don't see it.
That's where we came from. Still a few more. So there's holes in here, so Mario's gonna think about which side to go. Let's see. Good, he made it. Oh my god. This one going up. Going up. Oh, so. At the end, you will be rewarded with a beautiful scenery, a beautiful falls. So it's worth it. Power of 4x4. You can go anywhere.
It's gonna be scary
Why?
because the road is steep. Sometimes going up is easier.
Really? made it. Now it's going a little bit higher. Beautiful view. Oh, we're almost there.
Almost.
Yay. So that's the falls down there. Let's see the close up from up here. You can see the falls right there. Beautiful. Can't wait to go down there.
Take this.
Ooh, there you go. You can see all the jeeps, 4x4s. This is it. It's a hidden oasis in the middle of the desert. Are you tired?
Okay, nope.
Oh,
Just concentrating on the.
you enjoyed the ride, huh?
Yep.
You love this jeep
Yeah.
off-roading. Check it out. We made it. It's here. We're here at the TOQUERVILLE Falls. That's the falls right there.
Toquerville Falls, right there.
It's a nice weather.
Babe, look.
Oh, you're here, babe. Just relaxing here. So relaxing.
Yeah.
Time to go home.
So make sure you come here early in the morning. If you don't, you're gonna be driving in a dark road.
That's hard.
Yep.
Can't make it. Was fun.
Not a challenge just to get back. Just going back home is not easy. It's not easy either. So
But we will come back. It's fun here. See you guys next time.
see ya.
Dusty. So we're following this map. What map is this, babe? All trails map?
Huh?
What map is this? All trails map. So you don't get lost. Here we are going down. Change gears. Oh no! Shoot. What happened? It's making sound.
Oh, that's my hill descent.